Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Tour. I'm playing on a cool song from Morenito. That's a cool song. I love how they mix kind of classic Spanish music with this dance house vibes and get this product. So it's a great song. Okay, we have just one guitar. We're gonna look into how close we're gonna come to that original sound with one guitar. Not the easiest task, but still, it's playable. Cape on 6, absolute best scenario to have the chords easy as possible and the melody and all that good stuff. So Cape on 6, and we have 3 chords that just rolls in the same way through the entire song, okay? We'll have the A minor, we have the D minor, and we have the E. So let's start with the A minor first, okay? So sounds like that. We're gonna go over the strings, and they are open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. The next chord will be the D minor. Okay, so D minor goes open D, second G, third B, and first E. And the final chord will be the E. Okay, so E goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. So we have a strumming pattern that goes like this. Okay, so it's a 2-part strumming. So A minor first with the part 1, down, up, clap. And then you're gonna shift to the next parts, or if you stay with the A minor, play part 2, which is down, and then down clap. So it's a down, pause, and then down clap. So down, up clap, down, down clap. That's one full round. Okay? So part 1, down, up clap, and then part 2, down, down clap. Okay? So for this song, we're gonna play A minor, one full round, part 1 and part 2. Then you're gonna go to D minor and play down, up, clap, so part 1, and then E, part 2, down, down, clap. So okay. So that is the strumming, and if you want to build in the melody, we have this cool melody here. Okay, so for A minor, it's open A, then second D, and clap, and then first B. Then you go to open B, and second G, and that's it. Okay, so then the D minor part is open D, then first high E, and then clap. And then you have that final note on the E, which is the open high E or the second D. It's up to you. It's the same note, just the difference in how high or low it is. So one note on them and then clap. So alright, you can play around with that, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Morenito, that is the song. Cool one. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time.